dude, come here. Not following you, bro. Bro, why did you
Bucko, what you doing, Bucko?
Yeah, what?
Black bag. In the back.
Yeah, what take this, bro?
I don't need that.
Yo, take this.
Yep, he's trying to give me the scalpel. Take the scalpel. Oh, he got a gun.
I ain't giving
Yeah, need that.
you already got
Nah, you gotta get that.
Yeah, I ain't giving some
Oh. Did he try to kill you?
Yeah, he tried to kill me, bro. That shit was crazy, dog. Holy fuck. Oh shit, I missed.
Oh,
Oh shit, I missed again. This shit's fucked up, bro. Yo, light blue just killed everyone in there. I killed him. He almost killed me, but I'm on like 17 health. Here's all the weapons. I'm innocent. I disarmed them all. Oh my god. It's crazy, dude. Like you... Yeah. And you can do all driving.
Guys, it's quick.
Nothing. Jesus, buddy. Got a little too excited there. Pink?
I don't have
Yeah, I'm beating you. I'm fucking avenging yellow or white. His dumbass killed himself off stamina. He's so scary. What you get? Yeah, she killed white.
So she killed white?
Yeah.
Boy, I ain't got no manners.
Hello?
Okay. Oh, got my eyes on you.
What?
Oh, Venti. We're off now.
Yeah. So I like, what's that for the friend?
Oh, wait, look. New weapon. See you later.
We're off now. Oh, there we go.
Yo, what was that noise? What happened? Yo, Blue trying to kill me. What the fuck?
It wasn't me. I didn't do it.
No. Blue just trying to stab me. I ran away from that
Yeah,
door.
there's two people dead in medical. I don't know if it was a bomb or what the hell happened.
There we go, white. Yes, sir.
Hey, what?
Wait, what?
Yeah,
wait, it's not red?
It's me and white.
What the fuck is
Wow.
what the fuck
They
is
were
this?
put in my head that it was yellow, bro.
No, it was me and white. Yo, thank you, dude. Thank you. Holy
Where is it?
shit.
You know what it is?
Where's what?
The van.
The vent?
Yeah.
No.
Why are you standing behind him like
Whoa,
that?
Whoa.
Just make it sure, bro. I have insurances. Insurances.
Do you know where, like, the location is? Is it just missing? Let's go.
I blame Red. Red
You're
put
such
in
a
my head that it was
hypocrite.
yellow. What the fuck do you mean? When I put in my head that it was yellow.
No.
What do you mean by
That
To lie to
Oh,
me.
God.
I mean, pick these guys. They're
I
killing
had him
for
so
no reason.
convinced
I
he
didn't
killed
exact
fucking
for no
reason.
yellow and pink.
Like, you got the man to kill it now.
Yeah, dude.
No,
That's
Episode of
fire.
Eternal.
This
Think about it like this. Orange is the person who was with me the whole time, right? They were nothing
fighting.
I didn't
Enough
kill
fighting.
them.
here's your first thing.
Weapon.
Nah, I'm a weapon, bro.
Oh yeah, here's a weapon too.
Are you ready to die?
For what? You're gonna kill
I just
me for
want
what?
to take you down with me.
Why would you take
No, I'm just on some ladder shit, you know?
I have to fucking see for it. And I'm the distant. Bless. Bless. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yo, fucking. Oh, okay, never mind. Yo, pink, come here. Pink, come here. Pink, come here.
What? Thanks. I was gonna kill him. I wanted to kill him.
Oh, my bad.
I wanted to kill him.
I got like fucking 4 shots, so. Gotta air out the whole lobby.
Wait. You wanna switch? I'm
Yeah,
really
you
bad
can
with this
have
gun. That has 8 bullets. That one has 8
I got
bullets.
2
8 bullets.
so you can go for it.
Okay. I'm just gonna start going crazy.
Clean them out one by one.
Hey, is it clear?
Oh shit.
No. Down it.
It's clear? Fuck it.
You
I
know
didn't even get one!
I'm
You
sorry, I didn't know it was the
even let me
last
get
one.
what?
I got 4 bullets. I just need.
Okay.
I can get like half the lobby. I just need like a weapon, like a melee weapon.
What
anything?
color?
This
No.
one's red.
Okay, I'll try to get a red container.
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna get a color for it real quick. Yo, wait, is that red? What's up, red?
Oh, what the?
Yo, dude, what is going on?
It's orange!
It's green, it's green! Yeah, alright, let's go, green, let's go. Fuck.
Orange!
It was green, I swear to God, it was green. It was green.
Oh yeah, huh.
It was green.
Oh, those vents, I could just hella. Thanks.
That was
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Bodies.
Man,
fuck me up this round then. Fuck me up this.
Yo, Yellow, stop crying, dude. Okay. Your dog's name is stupid as fuck, too. Spell Skylight, though. What the fucking E?
Hey, hold on
Stop
to this
crying.
one, fuck nigga.
Stop crying, bro. No one wants to hear you. Yo,
Sarah,
can you
this
stop
is
trying to
my-
assault me? That'd be cool, dude. Every game, you're just crying and wanting to assault me, and you can't even touch me. That's the worst part, is that you're so ass that you hurt yourself off stamina. That's why I killed you last time. I had 50 health, and your dumbass keeps doing that shit. Whack, whack, whack. Watch this shit. I'll kill you with no weapon, bro. I'll kill you with no fucking weapon. You're so fucking ass, dude. Like, actually quit the game. Keep whacking, bro. Whack all day. Whack them all. Keep going, bro. Oh, you almost got me. Oh, you almost got me. Oh, keep going. Come on. Come on. Yellow, come on. Hit me. Hit me. Actually do something, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, you got it. You got the fish, dude. You better kill me, bro. Oh, almost. Oh, almost. Trash. Please get out of my... Ooh. It's almost over for you, dog. Come on, Mike. Bitch ass boy. Touch me. Touch me once. Touch me once, bro. Touch me once. Touch me once, bitch ass boy. Sit the fuck down. Oh shit. He just killed her with a fish.
What?
Okay, I think it was a good thing, maybe?
Maybe.
I don't
Let's
know.
get thumbs up.
I don't know.
Alright, he's
Okay.
defeated. He's disarmed. That's a good thing. Alright, I'm just gonna go about my task.
Just throw a bloody knife at us and said good luck.
Basically.
Oh, that's wild.
Yo, what are you doing with that detonator, dude? What are you gonna do with
Why
that?
you on my dick,
Detonator! The
Come on, you
detonator!
know what, bro?
What do you do with that
Talking
knife? What do you do with that knife?
That's what I'm doing. Fuck it. Yo, yellow, just retreat, dude, retreat. Nah, retreat, dude, retreat. My stamina's low. I don't have time. Yeah, I said retreat, bro. Retreat. Fall back.
I'm not retreating.
Alright, fine.
I need to put some music on.
Same.
Start
Dude.
drinking.
What the actual fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, there's an active shooter. Everyone take cover. Yo, light blue. Are you gonna protect me, dude? Are you gonna protect me?
Who's the shooter?
I have no clue. I didn't even see. It might have been pink. Holy shit. Alright.
Hey, we're good now.
Are we?
Whee! Back to work! Huzzah!
Wait, who's in storage? I hear someone running in storage. That's what I'm doing. They're both in position.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh no. Oh, fucking hell. That was close. Bro, time is on my side. That was a bushwhack right there. But yeah, I'm trying to wait for my health to go up. Yeah, she had a scalper on her. Just like a fucking freak. Say nothing, just be waiting. Holy shit, that's some Dexter shit right there. I found the C4.
I'm your Huckleberry.
I'll be your Huckleberry. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Let's go. Yeah, I got it all. Yeah. Because when people see it in my hand, they know. Nice catch. Alright, brother. See you on the other side. This is a holy mission.
Who you calling Richard? Oh?
Like,
You know the easiest way to get this to happen? Here,
that?
grab this. Here, I'm gonna grab this, and then watch the chaos.
Don't matter
oh,
nothing.
he's gonna start.
to
You go.
act.
Follow him. He has. He's gonna start people fucking. He's the one who gave me the C4.
It's orange!
You're still
It's orange. It's orange.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I was actually, it was just a prank. It was just a
Alright,
prank.
so now we know it's orange and white. Now we know it's orange and
you're
white.
orange.
Now we know it's orange and white.
I saw my opportunity, took it. Fuck.